Zoey was staring at the sky again. Max, she said, have you ever thought what would happen if Tom just ... stopped? Max looked up from his Lego robot. Like, no clocks, no schedules, no bedtime, Zoey giggled. Exactly. They were sitting in their treehouse, a magical little world they had built themselves with fairy lights, a telescope, and a poster that read, Think big, ask why. Suddenly, their smartwatch alarms buzzed. Alert! City time server down. All clocks in Futureville malfunctioning. Zoey and Max stared at each other. No time, Max said. How will people know when to go to school? Or when the cookies are done? They jumped into action, not as ordinary kids, but as the founders of their secret tech club, TEAM thinkers exploring amazing mysteries. They rushed to their garage lab, where their AI robot chip greeted them with blinking eyes. Time is missing. Chaos level. High recommendation. Think deeply. Zoey sat down and opened her laptop. Let's use the time sensor we built last month. Max opened a custom-coded app called Time Finder, which they had designed using simple block coding. It showed something odd. The Earth spin data was not matching up. Wait a second, Zoey whispered. The problem isn't the clocks. The Earth is slowed down. Just a little. Max blinked. That's possible, Chip nodded. Projecting a 3D model of Earth. Planetary spin rate down by 0.001%. Minor, but enough to confuse all time-based systems. Zoey and Max exchanged excited glances. Let's fix time, Zoey grinned. They launched a mini weather balloon with sensors into the sky. As it floated, they talked about how everything, shadows, time zones, day and night, all depended on Earth's spin. They even used paints to draw the Earth's rotation on a football, showing how light and shadow work. Suddenly, the balloon sent back data. Solar wind spike detected. Temporary pressure caused slowdown. That's it, Max shouted. It's science, and we can help explain it to everyone. They created a short animation explaining how Earth's spin connects with time and uploaded it to their Young Geniuses channel. Within hours, other kids joined the discussion. One made a rap about time zones. Another did a dance to TikTok. Boom! By evening, the world wasn't panicking anymore. They were learning, laughing, exploring. That night, Zoey and Max sat by the window, watching stars. Max asked, will Tom ever stop again? Zoey smiled. Maybe. But as long as we stay curious, we'll always find a way to understand it. Chip beeped softly. Mission, imagination, never end.